This video will show you how to select and name a yard site or multiple yard sites in Section A of the Environmental Farm Plan online workbook. The first step of the yard site review is to create your yard site inventory. A yard site is a place where farming infrastructure such as buildings, tanks, waste treatment centers, or manure facilities are. This infrastructure and some activities that take place in the yard site can increase the risk of soil and water contamination from fuel, pesticides, nutrients, and waste. The primary yard site is the main yard. Most often, it is the one where you live on or from which you operate the majority of your business. When creating your yard site inventory, you start with naming the yards by typing them in the name box. So yard site name. We'll call this one home yard. Then click Add. You can add as many yard sites as needed. The yellow star in the yard site list indicates your primary yard site. It will be automatically applied to the first yard site that you enter. It can be changed by clicking the star icon in the yard site list. Here you can also edit by clicking on the blue pencil and delete the yards by clicking on the red garbage can icon. Once you have added all the yard sites, click Save and continue to move on to the next step. The next step is to determine the location of your primary yard site. There are two ways you can do this step. If you have adequate internet speed, you can use the map feature. To use the map, click on Select Location from Map button, and a dialog box will open with the interactive map and instructions. Once you have this map open, you can then pan and zoom the location by using the zoom buttons on the top left, or by using Control and scroll with your mouse. Click and drag the map to move around. Once you have found your primary yard site, click the map at that location and it will mark it with a pin. This will automatically identify your RM and your watershed district for you. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Location. So your municipality and your watershed district are automatically saved there. If your internet is slower, you can use the drop-down option to locate your primary yard site. You can then, the dialog box opens and you can use the drop-downs here. So select the RM that you're located in and your watershed district, and then click Save. Once you have all your yard sites listed and the location of your primary yard site, you can complete the remainder of the yard site review by clicking Continue, and the system will guide you through the process.